Hi, I'm Minty. This is my husband, Sasha.
Hi.
And our two sweethearts, Andrew and Annabella. Hi. And I knew I wanted to be a mom for the longest time, so when I found out I was pregnant with Annabella, we were over the moon.
Yeah. And then when we had Andrew, that really completed our family.
It did. So this weekend is Annabella's 8th birthday, and we are hosting a barbecue pool party here, and we have a lot of stuff to do and not a lot of time to do it in.
We sure do. So let's go through what we have to do.
Okay, great. Let's go.
Number one, I think we have to power wash everything.
Yeah, we'll move the furniture back and power wash all of this.
Excellent.
And then we'll get the leaf blower to move all the stuff so it's nice and clean.
We need to get a pool skimmer.
Yeah.
Don't forget about that.
Okay, great. Yeah. And also, make a list of what you need from Zoro, because if your order is over $50, you get free shipping. So I think this is, first of all, this also needs to be pressure cleaned.
This is definitely going to need a good wash.
Yeah, and then we'll move the farm table here, put all the chairs around it, cake, birthday party, sing happy birthday here. Done.
Sounds perfect to me.
All right, let's do this.
Do it.
Okay, great. Okay, let's see. I need a pressure washer, leaf blower. I already have the lawnmower we got from Zoro. Let's see what else. Ooh, party cups, ice scoop.
Hey, hon, how's it going?
Hey, babe, great. I'm almost done ordering. I mean, we can get everything at Zoro.com, even toilet paper for the guests. And they have the flavor ice that the kids love.
Perfect.
I know, right?
Zoro.com is an online website where you can go and find anything you need for your home, office, or business, whether it be tools or supplies. Zoro has it all. We've got millions of products, awesome prices. Our stuff ships free anywhere in the United States as long as the order is over $50. And if you have an issue, you can call our customer service agents. We'll help you and make sure you are satisfied every time.
Oh, wow. The Zoro order got here really quickly. Hey, babe, will you come help me carry these boxes in?
Wow, that was fast.
I know. Okay, we're gonna start opening up these boxes and get started.
Let's do it.
All right. Me too. Today's the big day. You want to start setting up?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, girl. All right. Have fun.